You can also export your groupings and options data out to Excel very easily. The trick is, however, that you must make sure that you are in the Show All Groupings option here. So you have to have this highlighted and actually be showing the groupings and the options to do the correct export. If I click on the export from here, notice the format that comes out. Right? And then I can simply export to Excel and everything's going to be dumped out for me. I'll show you that in a moment here. If you are not in the Show All Groupings options, if you're in the Show All Detail options for instance, and you click on this, you're going to get the default that's designed for the non-grouping and options data to be sent out. So again, the important thing here is to be sure that you're in the Show All Groupings area here. Then you click on the Export option, you get a preview, and then you say Export to Excel. Give it a couple of seconds and all that information will be out here, dumped in here. And it's very typical of what we've been using here. You can see here we've got all our different color codes here. We've identified the activities as being manual, and where they're not manual you'll see it being flagged here accordingly. Some variations, there's some wait time down here, flagged with a 1. Number of operators, if it's 1 it's left blank, otherwise the value will be shown here. Any options are also inserted with any of the percentages that might be associated with those options. You can actually see that if I come back here, see 1355 for the add light and mounted parts respectively. If I come back over here and I show you my assign options, here's the 55 for the mounted parts, and here's the add light 13 right there. Okay, so all the information is dumped out into Excel, and from here of course you can do essentially whatever you want with the data, including making changes and bringing it back in again. To bring it back in again, you'd simply go back up to the top here, you'd close out the one you were working with and click on the send to balance, just like you've done everywhere else here, and that will send it over and it will be put back into Timer Pro for you with all of the options and so forth